Alright, so I'm going to be modifying my shoulder here with this air dry foam clay. I picked it up at Hobby Lobby yesterday. It was on sale. Normally 13 bucks. I've never used it. Part of what I'm trying to do is get this rounded back out and smoothed over so you aren't seeing these seams. Also going to be working on the blood drop, get it nice and round again and smooth. Like here you can see that there's a seam, so this is angled here versus here. And the seam here, trying to get this out of here so get it smooth over here. Like I said, I've never used this, and I'm going to see how well it works for what I want. Alright, I'll give you an update later. So I just finished tidying everything up, and this is an update of how well this works out. I am completely blown away by this stuff. If you do cosplay, you need to have this. Go to Hobby Lobby, buy them out of stock. I'm telling you, it's amazing. You can barely tell the seams are there, but once I sand it, you won't be able to tell. And even this, it's like Play-Doh, but without the horrendous smell. Oh yeah.
It's almost literally more like.
But it completely rounded this out and gave it. It's almost like feeling rubber. But yeah, I just let this set up and harden up and move on to the next step, which will be sanding. I will be adding these in, the eyepieces and the nose, to give it some depth. But I'll do that with craft foam. Alright, thank you.